Welcome to PG Education. PGTRB exam Education Unit 1ல Constitutional Provisional இருந்து ஒரு 10 question practice test-ஆ பார்க்க போகிறோம். First question பார்க்கலாம். The fourth schedule in the Constitution deals with the right answer, directive principles. Next, the three terms socialist, secular, integrity were added to the original text of the permeable through the dash amendment in 1976. Right answer, 42nd amendment. Next question. Promotion of educational and economic interest of weaker section of society deals with Article 46. Next one. In which year education was moved to concurrent list? Right answer, 1976. Next question. Which article empowers the government to make special promotion for minorities in educational institution? Article 30. Next question. What does Article 239 of the Indian Constitution relate to? Right answer, education in Union territories. Next one. Which article specifically mentions the prohibition of discrimination against individuals based on religion? Right answer, Article 25. Next one. The first official document on the right to education was? Right answer, Ramamurthy Committee report. Next one. Right to Education Act is an act of the Parliament of India enacted on dash 2009. Right answer, 4th August 2009. Last one. Under RTE Act 2009, what is the pupil-teacher ratio in middle school? Right answer, 35:1.